Did you know that the humble avocado isn't just delicious? It's one of the healthiest foods you can add to your diet, packed with heart-healthy fats, essential vitamins, and a creamy texture that makes every dish irresistible. Avocados are truly the star of the produce aisle. Whether you love them on toast, in guacamole, or even in desserts, this video is for you. Welcome to the Healthy Hippie Spot, where we're celebrating one of the most beloved superfoods out there, the avocado. This versatile fruit isn't just a keto-friendly addition to your meal prep. It's a powerhouse of nutrition that supports weight loss, heart health, and overall wellness. Plus, it's so delicious, you'll never feel like you're compromising on flavor. In this Healthy Hippie Spot video, we'll explore the amazing benefits of avocados, share some mouth-watering recipe ideas, and even reveal fun facts you might not know about this green gem. Whether you're an avocado aficionado or just getting started on your avocado journey, you're in for a treat. Before we dive in, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you love health tips and food inspiration as much as we do. Your support helps us bring you the best wellness and nutrition content. Let's start with why avocados have earned their place as a superfood. These creamy fruits are packed with nutrients that benefit your body in countless ways. Healthy fats. Avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats, which are the good fats that support heart health, reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL. These healthy fats also help keep you full longer, making avocados perfect for weight loss diets. Vitamins and minerals. Avocados are a great source of vitamins C, E, K, and several B vitamins, including folate. They're also rich in minerals like potassium, which supports healthy blood pressure, and magnesium, which is essential for muscle and nerve function. So fiber. Just one avocado contains about 10 grams of fiber, making it an excellent addition to a diet focused on digestion and gut health. It's no wonder avocados are a staple in so many lifestyles, from plant-based diets to keto and beyond. Now that we know what's inside an avocado, let's talk about how it benefits your body. 1. Heart health. Avocados are a heart-healthy powerhouse thanks to their monounsaturated fats, which help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL. These healthy fats support your cardiovascular system by keeping arteries clear and lowering the risk of heart disease and stroke. In addition to healthy fats, avocados are rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, a key factor in heart health. The combination of antioxidants, magnesium, and anti-inflammatory properties further strengthens the heart, making avocados one of the most recommended foods for overall cardiovascular wellness. Adding just half an avocado a day can make a significant difference. 2. Weight loss. Support. If you're aiming to lose weight, avocados are a perfect ally. Packed with fiber and healthy fats, avocados help you feel full longer, reducing the urge to snack and curbing cravings. Unlike low-calorie filler foods, avocados provide lasting energy and essential nutrients, ensuring your body stays satisfied while consuming fewer calories overall. Studies suggest that people who include avocados in their diets tend to have healthier body weights and waist measurements. Their nutrient density also makes them an excellent replacement for processed snacks, allowing you to indulge in something tasty while still supporting your weight loss goals. 3. Improved skin health. Avocados are a natural solution for glowing, hydrated skin. Rich in antioxidants like vitamin E, they protect your skin from free radical damage caused by pollution and UV exposure. Vitamin C, another key nutrient in avocados, supports collagen production, which helps maintain your skin's elasticity and youthful appearance. The healthy fats in avocados provide deep hydration, reducing dryness and flakiness while promoting a smooth, supple complexion. Eating avocados regularly nourishes your skin from the inside out, but you can also apply mashed avocados directly as a hydrating face mask for an extra boost of rejuvenation. 4. Boosted brain function. The healthy fats in avocados aren't just good for your heart, they're also excellent fuel for your brain. Monounsaturated fats help maintain the integrity of brain cells, improving communication between neurons and supporting cognitive function. Avocados also contain folate, a nutrient linked to better memory and mental clarity, as well as lutein, an antioxidant that promotes brain health. Studies suggest that regular consumption of avocados may enhance focus and even lower the risk of cognitive decline as you age. Incorporating avocados into your diet can keep your brain sharp and help you stay mentally energized throughout the day. 5. Digestive health. Avocados are packed with fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which plays a critical role in digestive health. Soluble fiber feeds the good bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy microbiome and reducing bloating, while insoluble fiber helps keep you regular by adding bulk to your stool. This combination supports smoother digestion and helps prevent issues like constipation and indigestion. The potassium and magnesium in avocados also assist in relaxing the digestive muscles, further enhancing gut health. Whether you're blending them into smoothies or adding them to salads, avocados are a delicious way to support a happy, healthy digestive system. Before we dive into recipes, here are some fun avocado facts you might not know. Did you know avocados are technically a berry? That's right, they belong to the same family as bananas and blueberries. The avocado's high-fat content makes it a rare fruit that's perfect for keto diets. Avocado oil extracted from the fruit is just as beneficial. It's great for cooking due to its high smoke point and is packed with antioxidants that support heart health and skin rejuvenation. Let's move on to everyone's favorite part, recipes. Here are some creative ways to enjoy avocados. 1. Classic guacamole. Mash a ripe avocado with lime juice, salt, pepper, diced onions, and cilantro. Serve with whole grain tortilla chips or veggie sticks for a healthy, crowd-pleasing snack. 2. Avocado toast. Spread mashed avocado on whole grain bread and top with your favorite ingredients. Try a sprinkle of chili flakes, a poached egg, or even a drizzle of balsamic glaze. 3. Avocado smoothie. Blend avocado with spinach, almond milk, banana, and a touch of honey for a creamy, nutrient-packed smoothie. 4. Avocado salad dressing. Mix mashed avocado with olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and a pinch of salt to create a creamy, homemade dressing perfect for any salad. 5. Avocado chocolate mousse. Yes, you read that right. Blend ripe avocado with cocoa powder, almond milk, and a touch of maple syrup for a decadent yet healthy dessert. Choosing the perfect avocado can feel like an art form. Here's how to do it. Gently squeeze the avocado. It should yield slightly without feeling mushy. Check the stem. If it comes off easily and the flesh underneath is green, it's ripe. To speed up ripening, store avocados in a paper bag with a banana or apple. To slow it down, keep them in the fridge. Once cut, keep your avocado fresh by brushing the flesh with lemon or lime juice and covering it tightly. While avocados are celebrated for their health benefits, it's important to consider their environmental impact. Avocado farming requires significant water and resources, so choosing sustainably sourced or organic avocados can make a difference. Supporting local or fair trade growers helps reduce the environmental footprint and ensures fair practices. Every mindful choice contributes to a healthier planet and a healthier you. To recap, avocados are more than just a trendy food. They're a nutritional powerhouse that supports heart health, weight management, glowing skin, and more. Whether you're enjoying them in guacamole, on toast, or in a smoothie, avocados are a delicious and versatile addition to any diet. From their healthy fats to their rich supply of vitamins and minerals, avocados truly deserve their superfood status. So the next time you slice into a perfectly ripe avocado, know that you're treating your body to something extraordinary. Thank you for joining us today. If you're excited to try these avocado recipes, or if you've got a favorite way to enjoy avocados, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your ideas. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and again, don't forget to subscribe for more nutrition and wellness tips. Up next, we'll be discussing how whole grains and a high-fiber diet can help with colon cancer prevention, another must-watch video for anyone committed to their health. Hit that notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video.